Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So it's like the second weekend I've been tinkering around with these apps: Bungee, Curry, Roadie. I think there's Freight, there's Uber Freight. Haven't bothered getting on that one. GoShare. Curry is more commercial, and none of that exists around Ohio as far as I can tell, because I'm still on a waiting list. And for Curry, that's box trucks and vans basically. Then you've got Bungee. It's not too bad, but it's not a very popular app around my state of Ohio for me, or my tri-state area. I don't see a whole lot going on there. You've got Roadie's pretty good. You got to be careful though. Roadie will get you. You'll be doing gigs and you won't be making a whole lot of money if you're not careful on the ones you choose. A lot of those jobs up there, like PetSmart, there'll be like 5+ deliveries. You're like, oh my god, $58. 3 hours later, you've made all the deliveries, and all that money you thought you were going to make for $50 is now in your fuel tank. So it's got to be careful on a lot of those orders. There is that fine line you're between making money and chasing money. You do not want to be on the chasing money end. You gotta remember, with these apps, and they're supposed to be fun, something to do on the side. You know, grab your significant other, your kid, be like, hey, we're gonna go out and we're just gonna have some fun, we're gonna go make a little bit of money. Grab some ice cream after. Because if you're chasing it, you can think about your car. You got brakes, you got your tires, you got your oil changes. All that extra wear and tear you will be adding to your car outside of its usual A to B, taking you to the grocery store, taking you to work, whatever. So you gotta be careful about that additional expense that these apps could add. And then you got your health, your back. If you're doing these jobs for like the One Rails, Lowe's, or Home Depot, now you're picking up pavers, 2x4s, bags of mulch. At the end of the day, you pick up something wrong, you twist wrong, you pop your back, now you got a bill. Now you're at home laid up, popping Advil and Tylenol, back brace, going to the chiropractor. So you got to be careful out there. Don't be chasing the money. Don't be taking these cheap jobs. $6 jobs. Gas is hovering at $5 a gallon. You ain't making money at $6 gigs. You have to have a standard. You have to be like, all right, I will only take a job if it is on my way somewhere, or if it is within X amount from my house. If you don't have those standards, there's no making money. If I'm on a trip or something, maybe I'm going south, and I have the time, I'll grab something and drop it off, as long as it's all on the way and convenient. Otherwise, it's time, money. It's all about making it. Today was a good day. Did 2 jobs, $100. All local, all close by. They all fit within my parameters of what I like to choose. It was a bit of work. It was one was a bunch of drywall, and the other one was both full truckloads today. They were both probably 1,000+ pounds loaded up in the bed. A little bit of work to unload. Got tipped by both the customers, so it was a good day. So, food for thought. Apps are good, but you just got to be cautious out there. Catch you later.